Trash has plagued California's roadways for years.
In May of this year, Governor Gavin Newsom announced the Clean California Initiative.
Part of the governor's California Comeback Plan, Clean California is a sweeping $1.1 billion multi-year statewide cleanup effort to remove trash, create thousands of jobs, and engage communities to transform roadsides and restore pride in public spaces. Caltrans estimates Clean California will generate 11,000 jobs over 3 years for veterans, students, people experiencing homelessness, and those re-entering society from incarceration.
These Caltrans jobs are great jobs. They're great careers, not just good jobs. We've already hired, or at least have job offers out to 400 people just in the last week, and the goal is 11,000 people all throughout the state of California as part of this program.
Are you looking for a job? Are you passionate about the environment? Caltrans is hiring people to help keep California clean and beautiful through the Clean California program. This hiring fair at Laney College in Oakland provided interested applicants an opportunity to obtain a state job with medical, dental, vision, paid sick leave, and retirement benefits. Caltrans also provides apprentice programs for some of our more challenging positions, like structural steel painters and mechanics.
I was very fortunate that the structural steel paint department reached out to me as I applied to the apprenticeship program online, and that's kind of how the journey began.
Caltrans will be hosting job fairs across the state. You can find upcoming events and learn more about how Clean California is transforming communities at cleancalifornia.com.